Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hire drivers on the bus simulation or simulator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the drivers option at the top of the screen. That's the fifth option. So click on it and then you should either tap on the drivers or the search driver button. If you tap on the first one, you should click on the OK button to hire a driver. Here you are going to see all of the available options. If you scroll down, you can see that you have a vast variety of options that you can choose from, and they are also given a feedback. As you can see, a review is given under their profile picture, so that can be an indicator how well drivers they are. So if you want to select any of these, tap on the hire button and after that, click on the store button if you don't have enough money to hire a driver, and then you can purchase coins. And after that, you will be able to hire the drivers. If you have a particular driver in mind, tap on the search driver button, and then you will be able to search for a particular driver that you have in mind. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.